Okay, so plugged in my CRV battery. Just gonna put it to auxiliary. Again. Oh my god! That is awesome as hell. Way to go. Yes. Oh, that's great.
Oh, look at the kilometers.
211,491. Wow. Looks like a Back to the Future all of a sudden.
Tank's empty.
Okay, let's see if the stereo works.
We're on AM. AM never works.
Okay, how do we FM? Do we have any volume? No.
Oh.
So I don't know how the volume works. But yeah, there you have it. And it also said the door is open. Check it out.
Wow.
Open your door for a sec.
Oh wait, on?
Yeah. Okay, let's check the lights. Find the hazard. Oh, look. It's saying my door's still open. Try the turn signals. Oh! Back one, the other side. Is it on? Okay, the back one doesn't work. Go back to the front. Dude, the lights popped up. Dude, the lights work. Do it again. Do it again. Put them on. Okay, so there's no bulbs. Okay, turn signals. That works. That works. I know. Side marker works. And the
window.
What's that?
How do I roll down my window?
It's power window. It's gonna be right here.
I think electricals at my door are gone.
Yeah, mine too. All right. Maybe we're not getting enough juice. Who knows at this point? But that's one hell of a big start. Take your blinker off. Okay, that's one heck of a big start. I like it. Way more to come. The videos might take a while because money, parts, and stuff like that. And like I said,
What is this one?
it is a T-top. Emergency maybe? Yeah, emergency.
Ha! Got it lights up.
Yeah, there's a light there.
Old school tech.
Yep, I love that dash. That dash is incredible. I gotta take a picture of it with all the stuff. There you go. Let me just see. Oh, it does work. They all work almost. All right, so there we go, guys. Put in a new battery. Not a new battery, but a used old battery from the CRV, and it's going. Next, I gotta clean out the engine bay because I already have tools out. Look at all this debris of nests. I gotta clean all this out. We gotta do the oil change. We're gonna make videos on everything, document this whole work. We're aiming for next summer to have it running. Yeah, I'm excited. This is great. Yeah, so we're gonna tackle the engine first, see if we can get that going, and then we'll go from there. Subscribe, like, comment. Again, this is an '89 Chrysler Daytona Shelby Turbo. Enjoy.